Hello everyone! In this video, we will see how to cut videos in CapCut, so let's get into it. If you have not already downloaded CapCut from the Google Play Store, go ahead and download and install it. Now let's navigate to the app and tap on the icon to open it. CapCut is a free tool that you can use to get 4K video quality. To cut a video, we first need to create a new project. Tap on New Project. It will open your mobile media library on the screen. Select any video that you want to cut from the media library. I will select multiple videos and tap on Add from the bottom right corner. We will see two different methods to cut the video. First, select the video on the track that you want to cut and make sure the timeline marker is exactly where you want to make the cut. From the bottom menu, tap on Split. You'll see that the video is now cut into two parts on the track. Delete any part that you want to remove by selecting it and tapping on the delete icon from the bottom bar. Now let's say I want to cut the video from the end. Go to the end of the track and drag it to the left side on the track. Only the part of the video that you want will remain, and the rest will be removed. And that's it. This is how you can cut a video in CapCut. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.